How to change personalization settings in Windows 11. If you would like to change your display settings, background image, icons, and much more, follow these steps to better understand the Personalization menu in Windows. Right-click the desktop and from the drop-down menu, select Personalize. The Personalization menu opens. You can select a theme from the top of the menu, which will change your background as well as the aesthetic of your toolbar, menus, and even apps such as your web browser. You can also adjust these settings from the Themes option in the Personalization menu. Under Background, you can choose what displays as your desktop background image. You can select from included images provided with your computer, or you can upload your own. You can also choose from other options such as Solid Color or Slideshow, which will transition between multiple images from a folder of your choosing. Under Colors, you can adjust the color of your display. The Choose Your Mode section allows you to select a light or dark mode for Windows and your apps, or customize a combination of the two. You can also choose accent colors that will appear alongside your chosen theme. The Lock Screen section allows you to choose an image for your lock screen and customize other features of this screen. For touchscreen models, the Touchscreen Keyboard section allows you to adjust the size and the theme of your touch keyboard. The Start section allows you to adjust what appears when you go to the Start menu on your computer. From here, you can change the apps you see when you open the Start menu. Selecting Taskbar allows you to change the appearance of your taskbar. You can also adjust some touchscreen settings here and change the behaviors of your taskbar. The Font section allows you to adjust the type of font used in Windows as well as your apps. In addition to the included fonts, you can also add custom fonts by dragging and dropping in this menu. The Device Usage section lets you personalize your Windows experience by choosing how you plan to use your computer. Doing this helps Windows provide you tailored tips, ads, and recommendations within the operating system. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.